Okay, guys, now since today is the boys' night out in the middle of the Times Square, let's just have some fun. Today, we're going to doing a drinking a burping challenge with our cans of sodas. Now, whoever goes allowed to get burped so much gets a nice delicious treats at the bakery shop. Okay, here we go. How's everybody doing?
Good so far.
All right.
Nothing yet.
Cool. You know, guys, the bakery shop is the most delicious sweet place in New York City. You know, I used to love sweets so much ever since when I was a kid. I used to have a sweet cupcakes and chocolate chip and even have a delicious New York style cheesecake.
Ooh, one down. I love to see you burp so much and...
Oh, I still feel funny. Well, I'm still fine. I guess I'll be... Oh boy! That means I win! Now I get to eat...
Oh, I think I got a hiccups. I need to...
Jeff, I'm scared. Please, just cover your mouth so you won't... Tina, Tiffany, Pixie, can you please come over? Okay. Everything is all gone. I think I
don't want to burp no more.
Jason, big favor. I want you to cover my mouth until my burp is gone.
Hey, boys! How's it going over there? Oh, never mind